Our building was in need of significant renovations, and now our district has made the investment of approximately $40 million to make sure our school meets the needs of our students. This is a project that will be complete by the end of next summer, and I really cannot wait for our students, our staff, and our families to come back to our building and see all of the changes that have been made.
It's our goal to keep the historical aspects of the building while providing the necessary updates with a new HVAC system, new electrical system, a new library that we are in today, new LED lighting, new energy-efficient windows, partial roof replacement, as well as accessibility upgrades.
The Academy at Shawnee is an important part of West Louisville that is getting the support that it has needed for years. Shawnee was first built in 1929 as the Western High School for Girls and Shawnee Junior High School that later merged into Shawnee High School. The last major renovation of the school took place in 2002. It did not include the third floor. Every day I approach my work with the question, how does this impact our students? This impacts our students. I'm proud to see the work on the third floor as we say to our students, this floor will be open to use very soon.
And when I stepped into this position, I made it one of the things that I was going to do was right this wrong. That in 1981, we had a floor in a high school in West Louisville that was structurally unsound, and instead of making the investment to fix it at that time, the decision was made to condemn the third floor. And here we sit 38 years later, now just righting the wrong that occurred in 1981. And so this has been very symbolic, I really believe this, of the community's lack of investment and JCPS's lack of investment in our facilities over the past 4 decades, and specifically our investment in West Louisville and the facilities here. And it is time we change that. It is time we invest in West Louisville.